This is Easy2 Tips and Tricks, where you see everything up close and personal. Today, we are going to show you how to make short ribs using a slide saw. You can use any slide saw. You could even use a chop saw. The slide saw just makes it easier to make short ribs, and I'll show you how you can do this at home right now. Alright, I'm going to lay this lengthwise. It's in the package. You can take it out of the package, of course. And I'm going to push kind of down and towards the fence here. Alright, so the fence supports it, and my hand is clearly out of the way of the blade. Alright, so I'm going to start back here at the front. And it's only going to cut through so far, so I'll flip it around and finish cutting off this last part that doesn't get cut. Alright? It's this quick and this easy, making short ribs. If I have power. And then as I start. Alright, here we go. Now, we're going to make another pass that's about halfway through, and it stinks. Alright, now we're going to finish the cut just about all the way through. Alright, now we're going to flip it around, and we're going to get this uncut portion. Alright. Okay, here we have it here. We're going to get this uncut portion here in the front. We'll be done. Okay, right through the bone. Look how smooth and clean that is. This will be quick and easy. It's all lined up with your previous cut. There you have it, folks. Short ribs in a flash. So now you've seen, this is my second video using this slide saw. Okay. You could use a chop saw. It may be a little more difficult. You may need to cut your ribs in half to make them shorter. If you use a chop saw to cut through it, and then that would work. Just got to cut it through the meat, between the bones, and then slide it sideways and cut it through the chop saw. A skill saw would do the same, but you need to hold your ribs down. Clamp them down with the board and a clamp, and devise something that's going to hold it in place with the skill saw. That'd be really dangerous. I don't recommend it. So be careful if you ever use this. I wouldn't send out your teenage child to do it with this saw, and be careful. But if you're careful, you see this will work. Now, accidents always happen. They can always take place, so be aware and be safe. Okay? Now, this RG Homestead and Easy2 Tips and Tricks cast iron skillet seasoning contest is coming up on Saturday. We'll be seasoning, we'll be cleaning our pans, and we'll be doing that like tomorrow. I'm going to go through this cleaning process for a couple days the way we are doing it, and then the seasoning challenge. You can season your pan the fastest. I have a technique that I developed as a teenager that worked really well. It was quick and easy. RG has his technique that he's used. Everybody has their technique. The basic way is you bake it for a few hours, then you put in the oils in this process, which works. But I have a shortcut. RG has a shortcut to the process. But you know, as your mom or grandpa would say, there's no way like the old way, so I can't necessarily argue with that either. But anyways, so remember, the RG Homestead and Easy 2 tips and tricks. Just went brain dead. Cast iron skillet or pot seasoning challenge. A Saturday around 11 o'clock we should be going live. So bye for now, take care, and never give up, because there's always a way. Always. Bye for now. God bless.